Hi, so I know it's not yet July. It says plastic free July on this side. However, it is very, very nearly July, and by the end of the week, we will be in the month of July. So this week, as part of your afternoon topics, I want us to just do a little mini project, and it's based on the theme of plastic free July. And the whole idea of that is to reduce, reuse, and recycle, and that is all to do with our overuse as a nation, as a country, as a world, our overuse of plastic. So this is based on a Blue Planet live lesson, which was actually recorded 2 years ago, but it is still very much very much relevant at the moment. And Plastic Free July is something that happens every year. Okay. So Plastic Free July, it says join millions of people reducing their plastic waste. Plastic Free July is a global, that means worldwide, movement that helps millions of people be part of the solution to plastic pollution so we can have cleaner streets, oceans and beautiful communities. Will you be part of Plastic Free July by choosing to refuse single-use plastics? Single-use plastics are plastics where you use them once and then throw them away, and they take years and years and years to decompose. So it means they stay in the way that they are, their original state. So if it's a plastic bottle or a plastic bag, they stay as they are for many, many years. And this can cause damage to the wildlife. It can cause overfill and landfill sites, so where the rubbish is thrown away, it can look a mess and it can be damaging to the environment. So that's what single-use plastics are. So it says our movement has inspired over 120 million participants in 177 countries. You making a small change will collectively make a massive difference to our communities. You can choose to refuse single-use plastics in July and beyond. Best of all, being part of Plastic Free July will help you to find great alternatives that can become new habits forever. So I've just written here that I would like you to start saving any recyclable plastic junk for a modelling project later in the week. Now the reason I've written recyclable is because we are going to be recycling it, we're going to be reusing it, but I'm talking about those single-use plastics. So things like obviously bottles, milk cartons, yogurt pots, shampoo bottles, detergent bottles, anything like that. What I will say is please make sure that you give anything that you save a big wash, because if it is something like a detergent bottle or like a spray or anything, then you need to make sure it's washed to make sure there's no harmful chemicals. And also if it's a drinks bottle that somebody's used, you do need to make sure you wash it and then sanitize after it. Okay. So for today, you've not got any writing to do. However, if you do want to make notes, you can do. So I am going to post the link to the Blue Planet Live lesson on Class Dojo, and I want you to watch the first 20 to 25 minutes today. Now, during the clip, it does mention some sheets, some activity sheets. You will be doing them tomorrow, so make sure you pay attention today so that you know what you're going to do tomorrow. And then tomorrow when you come to do it, you can always re-look back at what you've looked at today to help you with them. So today, it doesn't require any writing, but like I said, if you do want to make your own notes, you can do. But all I want you to do for today's lesson is to watch the first 20 to 25 minutes and make sure you're paying attention, because you will need that information tomorrow. And don't forget that you also need to be collecting any bits of plastic for a junk modelling project at the end of the week. If you do have any questions on that, please let me know. Nice and short, nice and snappy. I'll speak to you later on.